We welcome you to our show which is called Knowledge is Power. In today's show, I will ask some interesting questions. I have two teams. One, Team Heaven, and the other one is Team Eden. In Heaven team, there are Sarit and Persis, and Team Eden, there are Faith and Matthew. I will ask some questions from both teams. My first question is for Heaven team. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert?
Camel.
Very good. Are you ready, Team Eden?
Yes.
Okay. In which direction does the sun rise? Very good. What do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides? Yes?
Pentagon.
Very good. Which month of the year has the least number of days? Good. What does a baby frog called?
Tadpole.
Correct. Okay, are you ready? Which is the largest mammal?
Blue whale.
Good, correct. Okay, which type of gas do plants absorb? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and over. Now this question is transferred to you, Team Eden. Which type of gas do plants absorb?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, which place is known as the roof of the world? 10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and over. Okay. Now this question is also transferred to you. Which place is known as the roof of the world?
Tibet.
Good, Matthew. Okay. How many years are there in 1 millennium? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and again over. Okay.
1,000 years.
Correct. Very good.
1,000 years.
Good. Now last question is, who was the first man to went on the moon? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop.
Okay. Do you know the answer? Oh. Okay. The answer of this question is Neil Armstrong. Okay? Neil Armstrong. So friends, our today's winning team is Team Eden. Congratulations to both of you. So friends, we hope you have enjoyed today's new activity. So if you like our videos, please hit the like button and please share our videos. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. And also, please hit the bell icon to never miss our videos. And please comment below. Bye. God bless you.